very serious question right now for each and every one of you. Do you go to garage sales that are happening during the week? Like on like a Tuesday or a Wednesday? I just don't ever know. It kind of messes with my brain. I'm apprehensive. I am curious, definitely, but also I have nothing else to do today. So I'm gonna go check out this garage sale that's going on a Thursday. And in this day and age, you just gotta put yourself out there. Clearly you can see my coffee's kicking in, which is probably my favorite part of the morning. I'm not gonna lie about that. We are getting close, so I am gonna pull over, I'm gonna find parking, and we are gonna go check it out. I'm not mad, you guys. That actually was pretty freaking crazy. Like, did you guys see all of that stuff? Like, every table was packed with just anything and everything you could think of. Anyways, I'm super glad that we went and checked that one out. So I have to just show you guys what I ended up getting because it was very lucrative morning. Hang on. Oh! This is the Sessions Starburst clock. I took the little arms off just because it's easier to pack that way. But these are really great because they slide right on. And for $25, you guys, to find a mid-century modern Starburst clock, and this one's in pretty good shape. So I was super excited about that. And then you can see those little arms just kind of slide right on these little black things. So They're easy to ship, even though they look crazy intimidating. The other one that I got that I was super excited about was this little fish figurine. So, I mean, I'm not like blown away by this, but for the price of $12, you can't really go wrong. It's a piece by Franklin Mint. It's a sculpture by William Casmore. I actually am a pretty big fan of Franklin Mint. I mean, they just really kind of like, the spectrum is far and wide with that company, but they do all kinds of really cool things, and they work with a lot of different artists. So I did get this because it's also in really good condition. Like, you can kind of see all of these fins are really, really delicate. They're really thin, so it's hard to find them in good condition. Let me put little fish back in his little dish. Just kidding, it's a shopping bag. This next one I am just kind of obsessed with. Excuse me, what? Where? When? Why? How? Listen, I'm not a huge fan of old writing boxes, I have to be honest. I feel like there's a lot of them. I feel like they were really collectible for a minute. Unless you find one that is just exceptional, I just generally am not gonna get them. This particular one, however, it's made out of Coromandel wood, which honestly is very, very hard to find. And with these brass details on it, I mean, it's just really pretty next level. It's got these really beautiful stone details on it. That's where you would have put some of the letters with your writing people from across the world. And these are the spaces for the inkwells. I have the inkwell bottles, people. This is not my first day at the rodeo, and it even comes with the original key. There is a lot to be desired here, and I just think it's insanely cool. So now that we did that, I'm kind of in a buying mood today. So I feel like maybe it would be fun to check out a really cool antique shop and maybe just kind of make a day of this and find some other cool stuff. Okay, you guys, that was kind of a cool place. They had so much stuff. The one thing that I'm kind of bummed about was that dragon mask, you guys. That dragon mask was so cool. It had this articulating jaw. It could open and close. They wanted $88 for it, and the most they would go down was 10%, which is just not gonna do it for me. And I'm bummed that I had to leave that there, but I'm gonna show you guys the couple of things that I did get. I know, it's so random. It's so random. It's just like a Mexican folk art wagon. It wasn't expensive, and oh my gosh, this little guy on the front is like on his last leg. I'm concerned for his well-being. Each one of these pieces is held on by a metal wire that they put in the clay while it's still wet, and then it all just kind of dries together, and it's this really kind of intricate process. And so I just got this because it was not expensive, and it's kind of a cool thing. And then the other one that I got, so I did get this shade, and I'll tell you guys why. I do like that it's the opalescent swirl, but also it's nearly impossible to find the cylinder shaped shades like this, and they can go for several $100s. So this was one of those things where I'm like, thank you. That being said, we didn't get a whole lot there, but there was a lot of cool stuff to see, and it was overall, I feel like, a very good day. We started with a great garage sale, ended with a lampshade and a pottery cart. It was super fun, and I want to thank you guys for coming along with me on this glorious little adventure. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what your favorite thing was that you saw, whether I got it or not. There's always there was so much stuff today. That garage sale was like my brain is still reeling. So I'm sure I missed a lot of things. Let me know what they were so that next time I see them, I don't miss them. Leave them in the comment section below. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do it now so you don't miss future episodes. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.